It's been a while since I wanted to start making YouTube videos, but for some reason I kept postponing it over and over again. I think it was a combination of uncertainty, having to learn a new workflow, not sure if my English was good enough, and the big what if nobody watches my videos finally. But the biggest one, I think, was that every time I tried to make some footage, I wasn't happy with the results. I wasn't pleased at all. I thought the pictures were lacking substance, the high quality I'm always striving for. I was trying to do two things simultaneously and getting none of them right as a result. Then I understood that it's not necessary to do it perfectly. The idea of creating content was to share the way I travel, the way I see and walk, to take pictures and work in a scene, showing the way I interact with people and my surroundings. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to be done and shown, and I think it's worth it. So here I am, hope you guys enjoy my photography journey. So there is a good shot in there, but I don't think it's good for my 35mm, maybe for 50, but I don't carry my 50 now. So yeah, that's what it means to get to know your focal length, you know. I don't think it's gonna work, but let's see. I'm very uncomfortable position now. Maybe no, just keeping the fire.
faccio మధ్య వేలు నీళ్ళు ముట్టుకోండి మధ్య వేలు నీళ్ళు ముట్టుకోండి సంకల్పం అయింది ఎక్కడి నుంచి వచ్చాం ఎక్కడికి వచ్చాం ఎక్కడికి వచ్చాం అక్కడ వచ్చాం దక్షిణ భారతదేశం వచ్చాం ఏం కృష్ణా గోదావరి కృష్ణా కావేరి మధ్య కర్ణాటక కావేరి మధ్య మీరు శుభకృతనా ఏంటి నవనామ
The model. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If so, please click the subscribe button, leave a comment and maybe a thumbs up. And now to end this video, I will share some shots taken during the last few weeks in Varanasi. Thank you very much for watching and hope you are having a lovely day. Till the next time, cheers! But you can't hide.